Are you ready to learn how to make big money online? I'm talking about earning up to $1,400 every single day without selling anything, having any prior experience, or even using affiliate marketing. All you have to do is copy and paste some text, and that is it. I'll also reveal 2 other websites so you can double up your earnings and an amazing tool that can help you do the whole process in less than 5 minutes in just 3 simple steps to make even more money. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of Make Money Online. So first things first, let's head over to google.com. Come on, who doesn't know that website? Once you're there, go ahead and type in Google News. The first thing that'll show up is news.google.com, which is the official Google News website. Click on that first link and voila! You're now on the homepage of Google News. It's like an online newspaper where you can find news on anything and everything under the sun. World news and local news, businesses, technology, entertainment, sports, science, health. This is the legit Google website, and you can find all sorts of news on it. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Why should I even care about this? How am I going to get paid by just browsing a news site? Let me explain. So, on the top of the page, you'll see a bunch of news categories like world news and local news. We're going to focus on the good stuff. Business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. So, now that we're only looking at the good stuff, click on one of the categories that we're interested in. Let's say we're checking out the latest tech news. So, click on that category, and you can see many different pieces of information about technology. And for today's video, we're honing in on the health category, so let's click on that and see what's cooking. As we scroll down, we're going to see some seriously fresh news articles about all things health. And let me choose fitness. So let's see. All right, this one caught my eye. Let's give it a click and see what's up. Now that we found the article we will be working on, let me show you the most interesting part of the process. Are you ready to learn a cool trick for creating unique content? First, as I just showed you, you'll need to find an article that you like on Google News and copy it. Let me do that. I will first select it all like this and then click right and copy it. Right-click copy. But wait, we can't just copy it and use it as it is. We need to make sure we don't get in trouble for plagiarism. That's where Spinbot comes in. Head over to spinbot.com and paste the text from the article you found into the website. Now here's where the magic happens. Spinbot is special software that takes the article you just copied and pasted and rewrites it in your own words. That's right. You'll have a completely new article with the same topic as the original one you found on Google News. But you might ask, why do we need to do this? Well, if we just copied and pasted the original article, we could run into some legal trouble because of copyright issues. By using Spinbot, we avoid all of that and end up with a brand new piece of content. So let me do that. I will paste that article into Spinbot, click Basic Spin, wait for a couple of seconds. You now have a unique blog post, article, or whatever you want to call it. And I want to clarify things here. If you want it to keep some words like names and numbers or quotes or something like that, click right here and you can add what you want it to keep. You may need to give the article a check before using it, and that is why I recommend that you choose an article that you are interested in. All right, so here's the deal. You can actually make some serious cash with this article, and I'm going to show you how. First off, you want to copy this article and save it somewhere safe, because we're going to be selling it to a couple of websites that are going to pay us big bucks for our words. These websites are going to give you $1 for every word you write, and trust me, these articles can have thousands of words. That means we're talking some serious cash here. So once you've got this article safely saved, we're going to get to work on making some real money. Just stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it's done. So the first website we're going to be talking about today is eatingwell.com. This is where things get exciting because they're going to pay you $1 per word that you write. But don't worry, you won't have to do any of the hard work yourself. You can easily write articles using Google News and Spinbot without any copyright issues. And the best part? You won't have to do any selling or affiliate marketing or any type of marketing at all. Stick around until the end because I have something exciting to show you. I'll show you how to make money from an additional 2 different websites. One of them pays up to $2 for each word you write and accepts articles on various topics like money, health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. So you can make even more money by using multiple sites. So eatingwell.com pay you $1 for each word you write. So if you have a 700-word article, you'll get $700. And the other website I'm going to show you pays $2 per word, which means $1,400. It's super easy, and you don't have to spend hours writing or spend any money, and you can start making money right now. Okay, so now you might be wondering how to actually get paid for your article, right? It's easy. Once you are on this website, you'll see that they pay $1 for each word you submit. Next, you'll need to grab the email address listed on the website and send them an email with the subject line, Content Submission. In the email, just tell them that you have an article you want to submit and you're excited to hear back from them. To make it even more professional, I will give you a template to use. After that, just copy and paste your article into the email and hit send. If they'd like your article, they'll reply and ask for your payment details. Don't worry, since it's your own article, there shouldn't be any issues. You can choose how you want to get paid: PayPal, bank transfer, or whatever works best for you. Easy, right? And you can literally start doing this right now as you watch this video. Just follow along with me and you'll be able to start writing your own article. Plus, with Google News submitting news every couple of hours, the earning potential is limitless. And if you take a look at the health category, you'll notice there are many subcategories that offer endless opportunities to make money. It's the more you do this, the more money you're going to get. So the first website you can try out is Eating Well. But I also promise to share 2 more websites that you can submit your articles to. The second website is Popular Science, which is similar to Eating Well, but has a faster submission process. You just need to send queries, and after they reply, you can submit the whole article. So on this website, we can see their email address, and you can submit your query with your contact details to this email address. I'll share this template with you to use. To submit an article to the Popular Science website, you need to focus on technology-related topics. You're going to go back to Google News, and you want to go to Technology, and you want to look for something that catches your attention. For example, let's choose this article and paste it into Spinbot and let it rewrite it in your own words and style if needed. This will help you create an original and engaging article that can be submitted to the Popular Science website. And you don't have to worry about copyright. Everything we're doing here is totally legitimate as long as you are writing in your own words and making it unique. All right, the last website we're going to talk about is aarp.org. If you want to know how to submit your articles to them, just go to their website and check out their submission process. Here's the cool part. They pay up to $2 per word. That's more money than the other websites we've talked about. Plus, they accept articles on a wide range of topics like health, fitness, travel, personal essays, relationships, and more. Now, what you can do is submit your articles to all 3 websites: Eating Well, Popular Science, and aarp.org. Make sure you submit different articles to each website, though, because they won't accept the same thing twice, and even if they only accept 1 article per day, you can still make hundreds of dollars a day. Of course, not every article you submit will be accepted, because they might already have something similar on their website. But hey, no worries. You can start doing this right now for free and get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. There's no need to sell anything or have any affiliate marketing experience. It's super easy, guys. Just copy and paste and send an email. If you can do that, you can make money from this. And the last bonus I have for you is this website. It has a tool that helps you write articles completely from scratch. So if you don't want to waste time searching for articles on Google News, you can just use this tool to write a full article in literally less than 3 minutes. This tool can help you out. So get ready, because I'm about to show you how to do it for free right now. As you can see, this is just a tool from this awesome website. If you look up here, it says New. So it's a fully updated version of this AI article writer tool that can help you write a premium quality. Up to 3,000-word SEO-friendly blog articles in just 3 simple steps. And the website has a bunch of other amazing tools too, but we'll focus on this AI article writer for now. So to get into this tool, you can see it says, get started with 10,000 free words and no credit card is required. But believe me, all you need is 1 out of 10, that amount of words to make thousands of dollars. Now you just provide them with your name and email address, and they will send you the activation link. So you just go to your inbox and click here, and now you can log in. All right, now let me show you how to use this tool. Go and click this AI article writer right here. Then you just go right here and enter the topic you want to write your article about. For example, let's say we want to write something in the health niche. Let's go to Google News and look for an article. Let's choose this one. I will copy the title of this article like this and then go back to the website and paste it here. Then click search keywords just like that, and it will give you a bunch of keywords related to what you searched. You can choose a couple of them, just make sure they are close and related to the topic you are trying to write your article about. After highlighting them, I will just copy them by selecting and pressing Ctrl-C and separate them by comma. Then I click Next. I am not going to go into too much detail in this video, so just click Generate Ideas. It gave me 3 titles to choose from. I will choose the first one. And now we need outlines, so just click Generate Outlines. And again, it gave me 3 outlines to choose from. I will just click on the first one. Now you can just click Generate Article and watch the magic happen. Oh wow! It even includes an expressive image from Pixabay that you can use without any copyright issues. In less than 1 minute, you'll have a 1184 words high-quality article that's worth a whopping $2,000. It's like having a full-fledged team of writers and designers at your fingertips, and all for free. This tool is a game changer. I think you will automatically click the like button after this part if you haven't already. So let me summarize the whole thing for you. First, head on over to Google News and find an article that catches your attention. Once you've found one you like, copy the entire article and paste it into Spinbot. From there, you can pitch it to the 3 websites I showed you. If they're interested, they'll reach out to you and ask for your payment details. Now, if you're looking for a quicker and easier method, simply copy the title of the article you like and paste it into the Writer tool. With just a few clicks, you'll have a complete article that you can sell to any of the 3 websites I mentioned. It's that easy. So what are you waiting for? Start making money online today. And that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more exciting ways to earn money online. And see you in the next one.